Hello guys, welcome to Just Achi channel. Thank you guys so much for your love. I do appreciate all of you guys. In today's video, we are making this moist cake. It's a strawberry cake and pancake. The pancake, we made some flat like this with a waffle maker, and some of them we made like fish shape. And we made also bread. The filling in the bread, we use cherries, like the way you see it, with beautiful color. It tastes so yummy, guys. This bread is really soft. And the cake is also so moist. We use, for the cake, we use strawberries. We just cooked our own fresh strawberries and shift it to make it smooth. And then we left some cook like a chunky one. Then we put that on top after it cooled down for a little bit. Then we put it back in the fridge. So you have to put it like twice in the fridge. Like when you cook the cake, you put the jam first, the strawberry jam that we made, and then you make it cool again for like an hour, and then you bring it out and add on the chunky strawberries. And then you put it back for 30 minutes. And then you can get out and serve and eat. It's so yummy, guys. It's so moist. The best cake ever. I love it so much. It become my favorite actually. So with the pancake, because some of them like we add the cherries jam. For the bread also we use cherries, but we made it chunky like that. We cook it a little bit, but chunky. We just remove the seed of the cherries. That's what we put. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like and share, guys. Alright, and don't forget to leave a comment down what you think about this cake, and if you can try it out. It's very nice, guys. You can really enjoy with your kids and family members. Alright guys, thank you for watching. May God bless you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to give this video a like and share guys. Alright, see you guys in the next video.